2024 GMC Sierra 2500 HD. This truck makes room for the whole family. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, four-wheel drive, backup camera, running boards and/or side steps, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, keyless start, power outlet, keyless entry, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential, adjustable steering wheel. This stylish, long-lasting ride won't last long, so hurry!